ceiling flew away. When we call out for another drink, the waiter brought a tray. And so it was that later, as the miller told his tale, that her face at first just ghostly turned the whiter shade of pale.
When you're alone and life is making you lonely, you can always go downtown. When you've got worries, all the noise and the hurry seems to help, I know. Downtown, just listen to the music of the traffic in the city. Linger on the sidewalk where the neon signs are pretty. How can you lose? The lights are much brighter there. You can forget all your troubles, forget all your cares. So go downtown. Things will be great when you're downtown. No finer place for sure. Downtown, everything's waiting for you. Downtown. Don't hang around and let your problems surround you. There are movie shows downtown. Maybe you know some little places to go to where they never close. Downtown, just listen to the rhythm of a gentle bossa nova. You'll be dancing with them too before the night is over. Happy again. The lights are much brighter there. You can forget all your troubles, forget all your cares. So go downtown, where all the lights are bright. Downtown, waiting for you tonight. Downtown, you're gonna be alright now. Downtown, and you may find somebody kind to help and understand you. Someone who is just like you and needs a gentle hand to guide them along. So maybe I'll see you there. We can forget all our troubles, forget all our cares. So go downtown. Things will be great when you're downtown. Don't wait a minute more. Downtown, everything's waiting for you.
Gia! It's me! Hey, Taxi! Ay inaalay ko sa aking mga kababayan. Tuwakya Pangasinense.
This
Now
is
listen.
Simmer's production.
Mga kababayan, kamusta na kayo? Meron akong handog na awitin para sa inyo. Sana'y inyong magustuhan at inyong marinig. Kasabay sa pagdaan ng mga kuliglig. Sa aking panaginip, nasa Panga ako. Dumayo ng Kalasyaw para tikman ang mga puto. Tapos naglakad-lakad doon sa syudad. Sa dagupan na pala nang ako'y napadpad. Kaya't ako ay bumili ng 1 kilong bangus. Hawak-hawak ang dala habang ako ay nasa bus. Hindi ko na malaya nakita ng tropa. Sabay nagkayaan, kami daw ay tutoma. Kay tagal ng panahon ako ay lumisan. Ibang-iba na talaga ang Pangasinan. Di na tulad ng dati, puro kabundukan. Dito mo makikita ang pagbulag ng aming bayan.
Magagandang tanawin ang iyong makikita dito sa Pangasinan. Kaya't halika na, samahan mo ako na magkahawak ating kamay. Papasyalin lahat tayo ay maglalakbay.
Sa aking paggising, meron pang hangover. Sumilip ng bintana, nakita mga driver. Mga estudyante papasok sa eskwelahan. Sa National High School in Bayambang. Dali-dali nga akong naligo at nagbihis. Papasyal pa pala ako sa SM Rosales. Siyempre sa Manawag babalaking magsimba. Naalala ko tuloy aking ex sa Urdaneta. At parang kailan lang ang bilis ng panahon. Ang Pangasinan ibang klase na ngayon. Maraming makikita, iba't ibang babae. At di rin pa huli mga tambay dyan sa kadre. Tambay ng umaga hanggang sa magdilim. Parang bukal sa mga taramin na in. Sarap talagang kumain sa Malasike. Mahal ko ang Pangasinan ay kasi
Magagandang tanawin sa Pangasinan. Kaya't halika na, samahan mo ako na magkahawak ating kamay. Papasyalin lahat tayo ay maglalakbay.
Cinema.
Tomorrow's production available in today's market. Upgrade your sounds today and start making hits.
Magagandang tanawin ang iyong makikita dito sa Pangasinan.